Just got a regular head of cabbage here. I'm gonna make a small batch just for us. I've got the little serrated edge because it makes it look pretty when it comes out.
Be good with a sandwich.
Oh, this will be excellent. I'm not making a huge batch, it's just enough for us. And we'll have cabbage soup tomorrow, right?
Yes, perfect.
I probably got a cup and a half of cabbage here.
At least. Maybe 2. That's a lot of cabbage.
Maybe 2?
Yeah, I think
that's
a lot.
enough for us, right?
Yeah,
for a couple
perfect.
days. Now I'll take some carrots, some sliced carrots and put in here. Just enough to go with this. Look at those beautiful colors, Mrs. Farmer.
I like it.
Now see, that in itself looks good right there.
That is pretty. I like it.
In this small batch, I'm gonna use a little bit of honey, probably less than a tablespoon, teaspoon of fish sauce. I'm gonna use a teaspoon or 2 of rice wine vinegar, depending on how much you like, 2 teaspoons of sesame oil. I'm gonna use some fresh ground ginger. And lemon juice, I would say we've probably got a heaping tablespoon. I'm gonna use a heaping tablespoon of peanut butter and some soy sauce. And I'd say it's about a tablespoon of that. So we're gonna mix all these things up together here. Now, look at this.
Perfect. That's perfect.
Look where this is at.
I could eat it with a spoon.
So if you'll toss that while I'm pouring that in.
I'll do it.
Well, just enough.
This makes me so happy.
I think this is gonna be just enough for this amount. So I want you to try our slaw.
Okay, it looks so good.
Isn't it wonderful?
You did good.